They're good. They're good.
Barge right in on you.
That's fine. Let him do get the fireworks. You're going to get a bunch of fireworks for the 4th of July.
I didn't know.
You're lovely. He's a goofball is what he is. Look at that fucking hair. What have any other one? I wish I had that hair.
That's wrong. That's wrong. I have no part of that.
No, I'm not apologizing. It's not my battle.
You don't have to apologize. It's not about fighting.
You guys are on camera.
It is about fighting because I'm not.
Say something funny, Jared.
Say something for the camera.
America's Blaze kicking the nuts.
Jared.
My wife
Say something for the camera.
has no idea.
I think you stole all my funny moments earlier on the bus.
Teen Wolf. Freaking beard's coming out.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, say, wait a minute, hold on.
It landed on my face.
Thank you.